Greetings from Breviksbadet in Österåker. This is a huge and beautiful beach here on the Baltic Sea, and probably the best beach in Österåker municipality in Stockholm region, Sweden. I am now on one of the two public sandy beaches, and there is even one nudist beach that's around those rocks over there behind the forest, which I might visit later when it's going to be less crowded. Now I have already made one vlog earlier from the rocks over there, but now I'm using when there is nobody on this beach, this part of the public beach, and you can see it's a lot of greenery as well, and you can enjoy here with sunbathing out on the sea and with a swim in the Baltic Sea that currently is 14 degrees Celsius in the water. But we have a wonderful weather with 21 degrees and mostly sunny with clouds here and there coming up. And on this side of the beach it's a bit more windy, so yeah, here the wind is covered and protected. We are protected from the wind by the forest, and yeah, this is how it looks like basically. For me it was quite a ride to get here, as I came here by public transport, as it would have taken me quite a long time if I was cycling here, and I would have been exhausted as well. So yeah, now it's 2:50 p.m. on this last day of June, and yeah, I have walked you through now to the most part of this public beach, and we'll give you a glimpse of how the nudist beach looks like. There is a lot more wild, I would say, that the nudist beach looks like indeed, as it is a bit more secluded in the forest. Yes, so it is time to hit the sea and have a nice swim indeed. And I'm gonna be here all day today enjoying, because I didn't just got so long way just to go in for one swim, so I'll be going on multiple swims and multiple episodes as well. Yeah, here is the entrance from the sandy beach that you can see, so let's check it out. 14 degrees in the sea. Quite cold indeed, but refreshing at the same time. We have sandy bottom with rocks here and there coming up, but it is so amazing, and I'm so happy that I'm spending the last day of June out on the sea with a beautiful beach adventure. So then we are ready for the swim. Ready, set, and go! Amazing. Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful combination of a beach area that has both public and nudist beach as well. It looks so lovely indeed. So yeah, greetings from Breviksbadet. I will be chilling here all day long, and this is Österåker, so North Stockholm. We're talking here, and happy Monday, happy sunny Monday with a few clouds here and there. And what else? Let me just show you a bit more of the beach before I wrap up the episode. And the beautiful sea as well. And there were a lot of sailboats that I have seen here today. And with that said, it's time to wrap up. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I will be chilling and swimming here all day long. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!